Hello guys! Nandito na naman po si inyong Madam Budol para mag-unboxing ng in-order niyang air climber kay Mareng Jeng Shop sa TikTok. So, ito siya. Yun yung wheel, front and back. Kung kay Mareng Jeng ka o-order ng mga alahas, lagi siyang kay Flash ang kanyang courier. So, it was sealed na sealed. Well, upon to my research, si Mareng Jeng ang may pinakamurang benta ng alahas. Price range niya sometimes is 3,160 plus something if you do the math computation on per gram. So, this is my freebies. Ang cute-cute niya. It is money coin with red string bracelet. So, I'm happy with my freebies. Kapag mag-a-unboxing ako, lalagi yung freebies ang aking pinaka-exciting part. So, as usual, I have this thank you letter from her. And, as usual, totally sealed ang parcel item na in-order sa kanya. With fragile na. Before, walang fragile eh. So, very happy. Malimit akong umu-order sa kanyang shop kasi when it comes to 12 midnight, talagang ibinabagsak presyo niya yung mga jewelry niya. So, worth it to buy there. I'm happy. So, I love the shop of Mareng Jeng. So, ito yung air climber na in-order ko. So, ito yung front niya. And then, ito yung back. So, guys, thank you for watching my unboxing.